Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apify integration not working in Claude in 2026. So first of all, one of the biggest setup mistakes that most of the people does is using an outdated connector URL. So make sure that you use this particular URL, which is console.apify.com. In most of the cases, it is also mcp.apify.com for Claude integrations and MCP connections. Now, older endpoints may fail or stop loading tools properly. Now, after changing any of the MCP or connector settings, you need to fully restart the Claude desktop application. So, Apify documentation specifically mentioned that configuration changes often do not apply until Claude is restarted completely. Afterwards, if the integration shows connected but the tools are missing, you can just simply remove Apify connector and then you can add it again. For that, you need to come here on Claude AI on your desktop. Now over here, simply just go to the customize section, then click on the option of connect your apps. Over here, you just have to simply search for Apify and then you will be shown it over here. So you can basically add it again with the help of this particular option. Now, Apify notes that Claude can sometimes silently downgrade or fail to refresh the connector correctly until it is reinstalled. So you can follow these easy steps and see if it is now working properly again. Thank you.